rescue chopper N888RC responding to SOS, inbound from Freighter Trinity.
This is Conrad Roth of the Endurance. Do you copy? Lara, did you hear that? A rescue helicopter is inbound.
That's great news, Roth. Set up a signal. I'm going in for Sam and the others.
But Lara, maybe I should...
This isn't like the pilot, Roth. I got Sam and the others into this mess. I'm getting them out.
All right, Lara. That bridge is swarming with guards.
Great. Any ideas?
It'll be tricky, but you can probably make your way across underneath.
I was afraid you were going to say that.
Don't worry. I'll be covering you the whole way. Lara, I've got them in my sight.
Here goes.
What the hell is going on down there? Do you think they got the outsider?
Don't worry. If they didn't, then she'll come to us.
Father Matthias will send us to the Oni if we don't find her.
Only if we fail. And we...
What the
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, what was that? Who's shooting? Get down, get down!
I thought I lost you, girl. Are you okay?
That was too close.
I don't see him. Oh, look for the muzzle flash! He's in the tree shrine! Open fire! Get behind something!
Stop. Don't move. They'll see you. Wait.
We're sending ducks out here! Idiots! He's
Go
too
now.
far away. You won't hit him with these fucking guns!
Stop. Hold it. Almost got him. Move. Stop. Wait. Wait. Lara, I think you're clear.
Thanks for the cover. I think that makes us even.
Lara, look out!
Break this girl's neck! Surrender!
No!
They went over! Is she dead?
I don't know. I can't see.
They've got a weapon! There she is!
Lara, there's too many of them. Get out of there!
There she is!
Lara, there's too many of them. Get out of there!
going in.
Are you sure about this, Lara?
I'll get them. I'll come back. I promise.
My brother, listen to me now. Out in the world, we were nothing. But here we are the Solari, the Sun Queen's children. She brought us here for a reason. I know you want your freedom. I know you want to escape this place. But to do so, we must release our queen. Like us, she is a prisoner. If we can free her, we free ourselves. This girl, she carries the blood of this land. She could be the key. The ritual of flames will show us the truth. Himiko, you are the first and the last. Speak to us now!
You killed our brother! Now I'm gonna kill you! This is for Vladimir, outsider!
Enough! Dmitri, Nikolai, bring her to me.
Every creature in nature will turn and fight when its very survival is at stake. So don't think I don't understand you, girl. I've just been doing this a lot longer.
Ready yourself, brothers! Our queen is about to speak! Speak to us, Himiko!
Sam!
Speak to us through the flames!
Oh, I'm so sorry. Just look at me. Look at me, okay?
She's the one. Soon, my brothers, we will be reborn!
Take her to the throne room. Your fight is over, creature.
I can't see the body. I don't think she survived the war. Let's get down there. Come on.